Hi, my name is Kyle, and for my Tech Tip Tuesday, I'll be showing you a cool trick on MacBooks that will help you easily preview documents and images without actually having to open them. So right now we're here in Finder on Mac. So whenever you have a lot of files, it's very hard to see what's inside of them, especially if you haven't been working on those files for a while. Mac lets you quickly preview those files without actually having to open them, saving you precious seconds of your time when you're just trying to browse through all of your files. So let's take a look at this Apple underscore presentation, which is a PowerPoint file. You just need to hover your mouse over it and click on it, and then click on Spacebar. Afterwards, it will quickly open the file without actually having to open it. So it saves you precious seconds of having to open PowerPoint. And you can also quickly see all of the slides. It also lets you look at CSV files or Excel files. So if you do that, let's see, grocery data set. It's going to show you all of this. Even TXT files will work. And even images like a JPEG image file. And if you're also coding, it can also let you open those files in a notepad. So yeah, it's gonna really help you elevate your workflow, as it's gonna save you precious seconds of having to open each and every file one by one. Thank you.